How to revive your FPL team. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can revive your FPL team. For this, open up any web browser and search for Fantasy Premier League. Then tap on this website, which is fantasy.premierleague.com. Now, normally you can sign into your account by entering your email and password. However, if you have forgotten your password, tap on the Forgot Your Password option. Then you will have to enter your email address here. After that, tap on the Reset My Password option. Now, the instructions have been sent to the email that you just entered. You want to open that email. Here, tap on the Change Password option. Now, you can simply create a new password. After that, tap on the Change My Password option. As you can see, the password reset has been completed. Tap on the Login option. Now enter your email address, then enter your new password and tap on the Sign In option. After that, here you can see your team has been successfully revived. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.